welcome to the Treeland house.
It's a 4-bed, ultra modern, luxury contemporary home, and we're going to show you around, so come with us and let's check it out.
Okay guys, so coming into the entrance of the property, the main living space is just around here.
Yeah, and before we go in through there, you can check out, as we said outside, the property is ultra modern and contemporary. It's got so much technology inside, like this really cool sound system. You can control all your heating and everything from home.
So this would be the dining area, because through here you've got the kitchen, so it's kind of nice and open plan. You can either have like a study, dining room, whatever you choose really.
Yeah, I mean, we're in a nice day here, but it's such nice and bright throughout the whole house, isn't it? I think it really helps with the colour design that they've done. There's such cool features in the kitchen, so come on through, follow us into here. This is a really cool colour dimension that we've got through here. I love this big island.
Yeah, so we've got the fridge in that cupboard just there. Hi Matt. This is a wine cooler, and you've also got in here where all the screws for the wines are, so that's pretty cool.
2 fitted ovens right next to each other, which is really ideal for having lots of groups of family or friends around and being able to host and just cook for many people, which is really cool. But I think one of the best parts of the kitchen is this ultra modern hob system. I've never really seen something like this before in a kitchen, but we were speaking to the developers before, and basically how it works is it's instant hot water, or instant heat, on all of these 3
kind of little hobs, It doesn't look like a normal hob, it blends into the rest of the island.
And it really helps keep the kitchen looking sleek, tidy and minimalistic, which I think just makes the space feel a lot nicer.
And once it's finished, you can put your hand on here and it's not hot.
So it's safe for all, which is a good thing to consider as well.
Okay, so we've got the sink over here, which is super cool because it's got normal water, boiling water, and it also does sparkling.
Sparkling water, it's amazing, isn't it? I've never seen sparkling water straight from a tap, so I love that feature. And just looking at the whole kitchen, again, when we're speaking to developers, we know that this kitchen was imported from Italy, so it's nothing like what you're going to find on the shelves or anything in the UK. It's completely custom designed, which again, just gives it a really nice feel. And
just off the kitchen to the left here, you've got a little utility room where you could put your washing machine or anything like that. That's cool. I've seen the kitchen, we're going to head over to the living room, which is just off the dining room.
This is the main living area in the property. As you saw before, we have the open plan space from the kitchen, but this is a really nice, more formal lounge, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really big as well. It's based at the front of the property, and this property actually has underfloor heating on the ground floor, which is really nice obviously in the winter when it's cold. And it's also got like 320 electrical points. So there's actually a plug up there as well, if you wanted to put like a speaker system in,
So before we go upstairs, what we've got down here, we've got a downstairs toilet, we've got an office study room through there, which is a really nice space to have there. You've got it set up as like a security area at the moment, and then we've got the entrance to the garage through there as well. I love these stairs, don't you? How cool is that?
Floating stairs. They're not finished just yet. The property is scheduled to be finished in a few weeks, but they've got a few things to add to the stairs, but they're like the floating staircase style. So yeah, let's head up on.
Check it out.
Let's head upstairs. So the first bedroom we're going to go look at is the master bedroom.
And we've got 4 bedrooms in total, and they all have their own en-suites.
So this is the master bedroom, and it's such a nice space. We've got huge windows there. And yeah, it's just really, really nice.
Yeah, and we've got the ensuite and the dressing room in the master bedroom as well, so we'll come through and check it out.
It's the ensuite bathroom, and above the showers, we've actually got a skylight, so it literally looks like you could be taking a shower outside.
So here's the dressing room space. It's going to look really nice when it has the furniture fitted in here. But yeah, great space. Let's go check out the other bedrooms. This is the next bedroom. Again, a really nice space. You've got the ensuite through here, and 2 of the bedrooms actually have access to the roof garden up here, which is super cool. So I think it's time we go and check that out now.
So yeah, perfect in the summer.
Such a lovely day.
You've got a garden on your roof.
Yeah.
And I would definitely make like a cool gym up here.
Outdoor gym would be perfect for this. But just a seating area, somewhere just to come up and relax.
Yeah, and
we've
it's
got
so
fantastic
private.
views of the surrounding area, which is so nice. And we were speaking to the developer before, and this whole area up here is going to be completely decked out when the property's finished as well, so that's going to look really nice. We're excited to see that. And you can start to see as well some of the sunlights that they've got throughout the property built in here, and they really make a difference downstairs to how much light just floods into the property.
So the next bedroom you can actually enter through the rooftop terrace, so come through here.
And it's just so cool being able to access outside from your bedroom.
Yeah.
I love that, it's like a huge balcony space. Again, this bedroom has its own ensuite as well, so it's just really finished all to a high standard, aren't they?
So we hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful property.
And if you want to see more luxury properties, make sure to check out our channel and remember to like and subscribe.